Alright guys, check this out. Today I'm going to be doing a quick taste test of this cute Pasa Tortilla chips. Got these at COSTCO. They were on sale. Let's check it out. We're going to do a quick taste test. This is jalapeno lime. As you can see, organic and gluten-free. This bag is huge. It is, like I said, I got it at COSTCO, so the bag is pretty big. Here's the nutritional panel. And there is the ingredients right there. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Alright, let's do this. Let's open up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so there's the tortillas all opened up. Let's do a quick taste test. Here it is, check that out. You can see the seasoning on them. Let's try it out. These taste exactly like Doritos, but in a way almost healthier. And they have a lot of seasoning. The lemon, the lime and the jalapeno really come through. If you have any questions, comment guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. Definitely check it out. As you can hear, they're really crunchy too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.